Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned tuna recipes. Let's dive into some fantastic ways to transform a simple can of tuna into a delicious meal. We'll cover everything from quick lunches to more creative dinners, ensuring you have plenty of options. Get ready to explore the versatility of this pantry staple and discover new favorites that are both easy and satisfying. First up, the timeless classic, tuna salad. To make it, simply drain 1 can of tuna and combine it in a bowl with about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery, and a tablespoon of minced red onion. Season with a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a small squeeze of lemon juice for brightness. Mix well and enjoy it on your favorite bread or crackers. Beyond the classic, canned tuna offers many creative possibilities. Try a warm tuna melt by adding cheese and grilling it on bread. For a lighter option, mix tuna into a vibrant pasta salad with cherry tomatoes, olives, and a light vinaigrette. You can also form tuna patties by combining tuna with breadcrumbs and an egg, then pan-frying them until golden brown. These ideas elevate your tuna experience. Here are some final tips for your tuna creations. Always ensure you drain your canned tuna very well to avoid a watery result, especially for salads or melts. For storage, any prepared tuna dish should be kept in an airtight container in the refrigerator and consumed within 3 days for best freshness. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.